basic handlebar and control setup is super important because it gives you a better feel for the dirt bike. So if they're out of whack, it's hard to use all the controls. It's hard to be comfortable and confident on the bike if you can't properly reach the levers, or if it's at a weird angle, or if your bars are bent. Then it's really good to take a few minutes and set up your bars properly. You may not even need taller bars, taller risers. If you do, you're probably not using proper riding technique, which I teach in my virtual dirt biker school. And the only way to know for sure is if you try it, and it really doesn't take long. So you just need a socket and ratchet or a wrench to loosen these just a little bit, and then you can roll your handlebars backward and forward. And there's usually numbers on the bars, so like 1 and 2 both ways to get the different angle. So all you got to do is just go one at a time. So roll it back and ride it around on like a 5-minute trail loop that you like. And then if it doesn't work, if it's less comfortable sitting and standing, normally riding, then try rolling it the other way. But if it feels better, then try moving it more back or more forward, the same direction that you tried. And if it feels better, then that's where you will find it most comfortable. So it's really just trying the angle of the bars to get it the most comfortable at the most position as possible. And then for your levers, I like to start them out just below parallel to the ground. And why I do that is because my arms, when I keep my elbows, I try to keep them up. This is proper technique. And I want to keep the levers in line with my arm and my hand. So if they were up here, it would be awkward. I'd have to basically keep my elbow down to make it comfortable to pull the lever. Or if it's too far down, then I'd have to have my elbow too high up to pull the lever in. Same with the clutch. So that's why I try to keep them in line where it's most comfortable, whether I'm sitting or standing on the bike. And if you like these tips and want to go more in depth on bike setup, but also riding technique, so learning to use your body properly so that you use less energy, stay in control, build your confidence, ride faster and safer, click the link in the description below or head to motocrosshideout.com. I'm Kelly Fager. Learn more, ride more.